In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a slip, slip, knit decrease. You'll normally see this written as SSK, and it's something you would use when you decrease at the top of a hat or in like a pattern that needs you to reduce the stitches. And so how this is done, you take your right needle, and then you would take the first stitch on the left needle and you would insert it into there as if to knit. This twists that stitch, if you notice. And then you will do it to the second one as if to knit, pull that off. And then what you can do is take that left needle and insert it in front and then just knit it through the back. Again, you'll see it's kind of a left leaning stitch. Sometimes I find them going a little more straight instead of leaning, so I like to use this technique in some of my patterns. Again, slip, slip, and then knit. Another way that is done, which is perfectly fine, it's just a little extra step, is slip, slip, and if it makes it easier, place them back on the left needle, and then you would insert your needle through the back and then knit through. I personally just take my left needle and go through the front and do it. It kind of alleviates an extra step, but you do it however you feel comfortable with. I'm going to get to the end. I had 20 stitches on this sample, so I'm going to go to the end and show you what it looks like. Just pull it through the front. This twists the stitches and kind of gives it a fun look to the typical knit two together. So slip, slip, as if to knit, knit through the back, slip, slip, as if to knit, knit through the back. And then I'll show you what these stitches look like. They tend to lean to the left. So if you have some sort of pattern that kind of goes that direction, this helps to kind of keep that design going. And this is how you do a slip, slip, knit decrease. The items I used in this video are linked in the description. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.